is this? What is this, please?
What I see nobody else sees, and sometimes it frightens me. I think I'm losing my mind.
I understand why I do things. It doesn't make me any different. You're just embarrassed because I was like, I was like this amazing thing, like your special creation or something, and you don't like who I am now.
Yeah? Who are you, Nick?
This is me, Dad. Here, this is who I am.
It's like this mindless machine that I can't even relate to anymore. Andrew, you've got to be number one! I won't tolerate any losers in this family. Your intensity is for shit! Win! Win! Win!